Every year we host a holiday open house for family and friends, where we display our collection of more than 1,001 Santa figurines and ornaments. May these Santas brighten your holiday season and help you feel the warmth of Christmas love.
Christmas memories take me to a special place. Grandma and Grandpa sitting by the fireplace. Happy family, smiles on every face. Everyone filled with Christmas love. Christmas love from above. Please fill us up. Christmas love like years before. Open the door, fill us up once more. Christmas love. Children praying for a morning snow. Couples kissing neath the mistletoe. Cheerful music playing on the radio. Everyone filled with Christmas love. Christmas love from above. Please fill us up. Christmas love like years before. Open the door, fill us all once more. Christmas love. Lost loved ones never be replaced. I remember every single face. Christmas memories take me to a special place. Everyone filled with Christmas love. Christmas love from above. Please fill us up. Christmas love like years before. Open the door, fill us all once more. Christmas love. Christmas love. Christmas love.